Experiencing a failed eSIM install in Korea can be frustrating, but usually it's one of 5 common issues. Often, your Wi-Fi drops right in the middle of the download, so try a more stable connection before giving up. If your QR code scan does nothing or gives an already used error, it likely means the code was redeemed before, so ask for a new one. Sometimes, your phone simply isn't compatible with eSIMs, especially certain models from mainland China or Hong Kong. Even if the install seems successful, you might have no signal if the line wasn't activated properly or the activation window expired. Finally, if your eSIM worked at home but not after landing, airplane mode or a stale network selection is probably blocking it. If your eSIM install is giving you trouble, don't worry, we've got a simple checklist to get you connected. First, make sure your phone actually supports eSIMs by checking your device settings for an EID number. Then, switch to a super stable Wi-Fi network, like your home router or a phone hotspot, because a shaky connection is the biggest culprit. Next, reset your network settings on your phone to clear out any old cellular data that might be causing issues. If that doesn't do the trick, request a fresh QR code or the manual activation details from your provider. You can even install it now while you're on Wi-Fi. Just keep the line switched off until you land, to save your validity. After you arrive, you can activate it by manually selecting your network if it doesn't connect automatically. If all else fails, you can always grab a physical SIM card at the airport in the arrival halls, which are open 24/7. So, SKT versus KT eSIM, which one is the better choice for your trip? Honestly, neither carrier is truly unreliable, but the way you activate them can differ slightly. KT tends to be more forgiving with older or carrier-locked phones, while some SKT-routed plans run stricter IMEI checks. Both offer strong nationwide coverage, though SKT tends to have a slight edge out in very rural spots. But when your eSIM install actually hits a snag, support really depends on the reseller, like Airalo or Klook, not on SKT or KT themselves. Always check recent reviews for the specific plan you're buying from your chosen reseller. Okay, the night before your flight and your Korea eSIM isn't working? Don't panic, here's your fastest path to landing with connected data. Immediately message your reseller support for a reissued QR code. Their 24/7 chat can fix this in minutes. Forget retrying that broken code, it just wastes your precious pre-flight time. Instead of scanning, try entering the eSIM details manually in your phone's settings. This bypasses any camera issues and gets you set up directly. As a backup, book an airport pickup for a physical SIM or Wi-Fi router. These counters at Incheon and Gimpo are always open. This guarantees you'll have a connection the moment you land, no matter what. Remember, repeatedly scanning a bad QR code can actually make it harder to reissue later, so stop after 2 tries and contact support.